Hi there, and welcome to this video on GCSE Biology for the AQA specification, focusing on communicable diseases and in particular protist diseases. I'm Shumina from StudyMind, where we help you revise GCSE Biology with our helpful video tutorials, tailored to your subject, your specification, and to you. If you're new here, make sure you click the subscribe button. Whilst you are watching, please leave any comments below if you're unsure about anything, and let us know if it's your first time watching our videos so we can send you our free revision materials. We also have helpful timestamps below for each part of the video to help guide you through the specification. So let's get started. Hello and welcome to tutorial 5 of 9, in which we'll be looking at protist diseases. So in previous sessions we took a look at viral, bacterial and fungal diseases, so feel free to go back and watch those. And now we're going to move on to our fourth type of disease that we'll explore, which, as I said, is that caused by protists, and in particular we're going to be looking at malaria. So just to quickly recap, remember that protists are a group of microorganisms that are eukaryotic. So this means that in contrast to prokaryotes, eukaryotic organisms, or protists in this case, have a nucleus. So that's the defining feature. So let's take a little further look into malaria. So first of all, know that malaria is caused by the Plasmodium protist, and it is spread specifically by the mosquito, which acts as a vector for transmission of the Plasmodium protist. So that's how malaria is spread from person to person. And the mosquito acts as a vector because it's the means by which we are transporting the infection from person A to person B, but the mosquito itself does not contract the illness. So as I said, an infected mosquito with the Plasmodium spores in it will suck the blood of person A and subsequently transfer these spores unintentionally from themselves, from their air, their kind of mouth tube into the person's bloodstream. And the spores will travel in the blood to the liver, it will inflect red blood cells, and another mosquito can bite the same individual and pass the spores on to person B. And that's how transmission occurs. So as I said, malaria is caused by the Plasmodium protist, and it's the infected mosquitoes that act as the vector. So the symptoms of malaria include fever, chills and sweats, headaches, diarrhea, and vomiting. And remember, it's key to remember these symptoms because these could be easy 1 markers or 2 markers, and they just require quick recall. So malaria can be prevented by vector control. So remember, your mosquitoes are your vectors, so controlling the mosquito population will reduce spread of malaria. But obviously that's easier said than done, as I'm sure you've all tried to kill a mosquito on a hot day and they do kind of just dodge your hand, don't they? So it's not so easy to control the mosquito population, but we've come up with various methods, such as using mosquito nets, repellent. These kind of things just reduce transmission physically by forming a physical border between the person and the mosquito, and so preventing the vector transmission. Also, tourists often take malarial tablets when going to high-risk areas such as parts of Africa and Asia. But note that there is no vaccine for malaria as of yet. So this could also be another easy 2 marker. So remember to describe methods of controlling the spread of malaria in this way. And if you do forget in your exam, just have a think. Just sit there and think, well, how is malaria spread in the first place? Oh yes, mosquitoes. And so in order to prevent spread, we're going to have to control the mosquito population. So think of various ways in which we could do that. And that those are mosquito nets and repellent, for example. And that's about it for today. So please do feel free to recap. And as I said, remember to learn your symptoms and your methods of control. and you can think through it in a logical fashion in order to work it out, instead of maybe rote memorising. Thank you very much, and I'll see you for the next session.
Thanks for watching this free video from StudyMind. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe to catch our newest videos by clicking below, and leave a comment on a topic you'd like a video on. Click here to watch more videos in our series for GCSE Biology, or visit our website studymind.co.uk for free past paper compilations by topic and specification.